Garlic is more than just a kitchen staple with a strong, distinct flavor. It's packed with essential minerals and vitamins like magnesium, selenium, and vitamin C, all crucial for men's health. From boosting sexual health and fertility to enhancing physical fitness and supporting cardiovascular health, garlic offers numerous benefits. Let's explore how this potent veggie can boost your manliness. Garlic and sexual health. Garlic significantly raises sperm count. This is largely due to a compound called L-cysteine, which has been shown to increase testosterone production. Additionally, the antioxidants in garlic improve sexual health and fertility by reducing oxidation effects on sperm. Regular consumption of raw garlic is recommended for the best result. If your libido has taken a dive, garlic can help. Allicin, a compound in garlic, boosts blood circulation to the sexual organs in both men and women. Researchers have found that garlic acts as an aphrodisiac, increasing sexual desire by enhancing blood flow. This doesn't happen overnight. You need to consume a small amount of garlic daily for about a month to see significant benefits. Erectile dysfunction is a common issue, but garlic can be an effective remedy. Garlic improves blood vessel function and increases blood circulation, which can help treat erectile dysfunction. Research suggests that garlic extracts stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a vasodilator in the penis that boosts blood flow. Additionally, polysulfides in garlic promote the production of hydrogen sulfide, which relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure, thus supporting heart health. Garlic and fertility. Garlic also enhances fertility. Environmental factors like pollution can negatively affect male reproductive organs and sperm density, but garlic can help. Acting as a medicinal herb, garlic enhances male fertility and treats early stages of impotence. Research shows that garlic consumption improves testicular functions, thanks to selenium, which aids in sperm production and enhances fertility. Animal studies indicate that regular garlic consumption increases testosterone secretion, further supporting male reproductive health. Physical fitness and performance. Garlic isn't just beneficial for sexual health, it also improves physical fitness. Historically, garlic was used to alleviate weariness and improve laborers' endurance. Greek Olympic athletes consumed garlic to boost their athletic performance. A healthy body and heart are key to physical fitness, and garlic supports overall health, making it an excellent addition to your diet. Immune system support. A strong immune system is vital for overall health, and garlic is a great immune booster. It helps treat respiratory diseases, from common colds and flu to more severe conditions like tuberculosis and pneumonia. Adults who consume raw garlic regularly gain protection against coughs, fevers, and cold illnesses. For respiratory benefits, aim to eat 2 garlic cloves each day. For tuberculosis, a mixture of garlic, water, and milk can be boiled and consumed thrice daily to harness its antibiotic properties. Cardiovascular health. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, strokes, and heart attacks. Garlic can help reduce high blood pressure, making it a valuable addition to the diet of those with hypertension. Garlic supplements can also be used to achieve similar benefits, such as lower blood pressure and reduced fever. Aim for a supplement amount equivalent to 4 garlic cloves daily. Garlic also helps reduce cholesterol level. It lowers total cholesterol and LDL levels by 10 to 15% without affecting HDL or good cholesterol. If you have heart disease or a family history of it, incorporating garlic into your diet can be beneficial. Cancer prevention. One of the deadliest diseases, cancer, can also be mitigated by garlic. Research indicates that consuming fresh garlic reduces the risk of colon cancer. Studies, such as the Iowa Women's Health Study, have shown that women who regularly eat garlic with other vegetables and fruits have a significantly lower risk of developing colon cancer. This makes garlic a powerful superfood for cancer prevention. Antibiotic properties. Garlic contains allicin, a bioactive antibiotic that helps fight infections and bacteria. It has been shown to suppress the growth of fungi, protozoa, viruses, and numerous bacteria. For ear infections, garlic's antibacterial properties prevent bacterial growth in the ear canal. To treat ear infections, simply wrap a small clove of garlic in tissue paper and place it in your ear. Detoxification. In today's world, we're exposed to various chemicals and compounds daily, from pesticides and household cleaners to personal care products. Detoxification is crucial for removing these harmful substances from the body. Consuming garlic in high doses has been discovered to detoxify the body, thanks to its bioactive selenium and sulfur compounds. Garlic is a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for men. from boosting sexual health and fertility to enhancing physical fitness and supporting cardiovascular health. This humble veggie is truly remarkable to take the first step toward a healthier you. Start incorporating garlic into your diet. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights.